I want to talk about something that all pet owners should be aware of: our dog's health, specifically when it comes to breathing issues. As a loving pet parent, there's nothing more concerning than noticing your dog struggling to breathe. Whether it's heavy panting, wheezing, or labored breathing, these signs should never be ignored. Today, we'll explore the top causes of breathing problems in dogs and discuss the solutions that can help restore their comfort and health. Just like us, dogs can face breathing difficulties for a variety of reasons, from minor issues to more serious conditions. It's essential for us to be informed about these causes so we can act quickly and ensure our furry friends get the care they need. First, let's talk about the common causes behind breathing problems in dogs. These can include respiratory infections, heart disease, obesity, allergies, or even a physical blockage in the airway. Identifying these causes is crucial because the treatment and approach will differ depending on what's at the root of the issue. Secondly, I'll discuss the symptoms that you should be watching out for. If your dog is showing signs like excessive panting, coughing, or difficulty in lying down, it's time to take them to the vet. The sooner you act, the better the chances are of preventing the issue from becoming more serious. Now, let's move on to the solutions. Depending on the cause, treatment can range from simple lifestyle changes, like improving your dog's weight or diet, to medical interventions, including medications, surgery, or even specialized breathing therapies. Lastly, I want to remind all of us that prevention is key. Regular vet check-ups, proper exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding environmental triggers like smoke or allergens can go a long way in preventing breathing problems from occurring in the first place. Breathing problems in dogs can stem from a variety of causes, each affecting their respiratory system differently. Common causes include respiratory infections like kennel cough or pneumonia, which can lead to coughing, wheezing, and labored breathing. Heart disease, particularly congestive heart failure, can cause fluid buildup in the lungs, making it difficult for the dog to breathe comfortably. Obesity is another significant factor, as excess weight places pressure on the lungs and chest, restricting airflow. Additionally, allergies to environmental triggers such as pollen or dust can inflame the airways, leading to breathing issues. In some cases, physical blockages in the airway caused by foreign objects or tumors can obstruct airflow and cause choking or difficulty breathing. Identifying the underlying cause is crucial for providing the appropriate treatment and ensuring your dog's comfort and health. Your dog may be having trouble breathing. Recognizing these signs early is crucial for getting timely treatment. Common symptoms include excessive panting, which can be a sign of respiratory distress or heart issues if it's more intense or persistent than usual. Coughing can also signal respiratory infections, allergies, or heart problems affecting the lungs. Dogs with breathing trouble often have difficulty lying down comfortably, particularly if the issue is heart-related, as it may cause fluid buildup in the lungs. Additionally, wheezing or labored breathing are clear indicators of respiratory distress, often caused by inflammation or blockage in the airways. If your dog's breathing becomes irregular or they show signs like blue gums or difficulty catching their breath, it could suggest insufficient oxygen levels, requiring immediate veterinary attention. Keeping an eye on your dog's breathing habits and seeking help at the first sign of distress can help prevent serious complications. The solutions to address breathing problems in dogs, which vary depending on the underlying cause of the issue. If the problem is related to respiratory infections, such as kennel cough or pneumonia, treatment may involve prescribed antibiotics or virals to clear the infection. In cases of heart disease, management typically includes medications such as diuretics, AC inhibitors, or beta blockers to reduce fluid buildup, improve heart function, and make breathing easier for your dog. For dogs dealing with obesity, the solution lies in a combination of dietary changes and an exercise routine tailored to their needs, helping them lose weight and relieve pressure on the lungs and chest. When allergies are the cause, your vet might recommend antihistamines, corticosteroids, or avoiding allergens that trigger symptoms. For more severe cases, like physical blockages in the airways, surgery may be necessary to remove an obstruction or treat structural issues. Other solutions, such as oxygen therapy or breathing treatments, may be used for dogs with chronic conditions or severe respiratory distress. By addressing the specific cause, you can significantly improve your dog's quality of life and prevent further complications. It's essential to work closely with your veterinarian to determine the best course of action and ensure your dog receives the appropriate treatment. The importance of prevention when it comes to avoiding breathing problems in dogs. Just like any health issue, preventing respiratory and breathing problems in dogs is far better than dealing with after they arise. Prevention starts with regular veterinary check-ups, which are essential in identifying potential health problems before they become serious. Routine check-ups allow veterinarians to detect early signs of respiratory issues or heart disease, even if your dog isn't showing symptoms yet. Regular health assessments, including blood work, heart function tests, and chest X-rays, can help catch problems like heart disease or lung infections early, making treatment more effective and less invasive. Another important preventative measure is maintaining a healthy diet and keeping your dog at an ideal weight. Overweight dogs are at a higher risk of developing breathing problems because extra weight can strain their heart and lungs, making it harder for them to breathe properly. Feeding your dog a balanced, nutritious diet and ensuring they get the right amount of exercise can help prevent obesity and the breathing complications associated with it. Exercise also plays a key role in keeping your dog's respiratory system healthy. Regular moderate activity strengthens their heart and lungs, helping to improve overall cardiovascular health. However, it's important to tailor exercise routines based on your dog's breed, age, and health condition. For example, brachycephalic breeds, like bulldogs or pugs, often struggle with breathing, especially during intense physical activity, so their exercise routine should be more gentle and controlled. Furthermore, avoiding environmental triggers is another critical part of prevention. Dogs, like humans, can suffer from allergies triggered by environmental factors such as pollen, dust, mold, smoke, or strong chemicals. Keeping your dog's living space clean, dust-free, and smoke-free is essential for minimizing exposure to potential allergens. If your dog has known allergies, you can work with your veterinarian to develop a plan to manage and minimize their exposure. For instance, if your dog is allergic to pollen, keeping them indoors during peak pollen seasons or using air purifiers indoors can help reduce symptoms. For breeds that are more prone to respiratory issues, preventative care might also include specialized treatments, such as regular airway management or using medications to help manage the condition before it worsens. For example, using a humidifier or air purifier in your dog's living space can help keep the airways moist and reduce irritation. Finally, one of the most important preventative steps is to educate yourself about your dog's specific breed and the health issues that may be more common to them. Some breeds are more prone to respiratory issues due to their physical characteristics, such as short snouts in brachycephalic breeds or elongated soft palates in Dachshunds. Understanding the specific health risks and taking proactive steps to address them can help you take better care of your dog and prevent serious breathing issues from developing. By implementing these preventive measures, regular vet visits, a healthy diet, adequate exercise, avoiding environmental triggers, and breed-specific care, you can significantly reduce the risk of your dog experiencing breathing problems and help them lead a healthier, more comfortable life. Prevention isn't just about avoiding disease, but also about ensuring your dog's overall well-being and longevity. The importance of early detection and prompt action when it comes to breathing problems in dogs. Recognizing and addressing breathing issues at an early stage can significantly improve the chances of successful treatment and prevent further complications. This point highlights how vital it is for dog owners to be observant and proactive in identifying symptoms, as well as seeking veterinary help as soon as something seems off with their dog's breathing. One of the most critical aspects of early detection is being aware of your dog's normal breathing patterns. Every dog is unique, but most healthy dogs breathe at a steady rate of 10 to 30 breaths per minute, depending on factors like their size and activity level. Monitoring this baseline, especially during moments of rest, helps you recognize any changes that might indicate a problem. If you notice that your dog is panting excessively without any clear reason, such as after exercise or in hot weather, or if they are breathing more rapidly than usual, It could be an early warning sign of a respiratory issue or other underlying health conditions like heart disease. In addition to recognizing changes in the rate and rhythm of your dog's breathing, it's equally important to be alert to other symptoms that might accompany breathing difficulties, such as coughing, wheezing, nasal discharge, or blue, tinged gums. Coughing can indicate a variety of issues, including infections, heart disease, or allergies, while wheezing or labored breathing might point to airway obstruction or fluid buildup in the lungs. These signs shouldn't be dismissed, as they can provide valuable information to your vet about what might be affecting your dog's respiratory system. When it comes to timing, early intervention is key. The longer you wait to seek help, the more difficult and costly the treatment can become. If a dog's breathing problems are linked to conditions like heart disease or respiratory infections, delayed treatment can lead to worsening symptoms, which might result in permanent damage to the lungs or heart. For example, fluid buildup in the lungs due to heart disease can cause serious strain on the dog's cardiovascular system, leading to heart failure if left untreated. Respiratory infections, if not treated promptly, can spread, leading to pneumonia or even more severe complications like sepsis. Emergency care might be necessary if your dog's breathing becomes significantly labored, or if you notice symptoms such as extreme lethargy, fainting, or the inability to stand or move. These could be signs that your dog's oxygen levels are dangerously low and immediate veterinary attention is required. In such situations, the vet may administer oxygen therapy, perform diagnostic tests, and start treatment right away to stabilize your dog. On the other hand, if you catch the issue in the early stages, before it becomes a medical emergency, it can often be managed more effectively with non-invasive treatments. For example, if your dog's breathing issues are caused by allergies, they may simply need antihistamines or a change in their environment. If the problem is linked to obesity, adjustments to diet and exercise can significantly improve their condition without the need for medication. In cases where a respiratory infection or mild heart disease is identified, early treatment with antibiotics, heart medications, or lifestyle changes can prevent the condition from escalating. In conclusion, breathing problems in dogs are a serious concern that should never be overlooked. Understanding the common causes, recognizing early symptoms, and knowing the available solutions can significantly improve your dog's health and well-being. Prevention is always the best approach, with regular vet check-ups, a healthy diet, and a proper exercise routine playing key roles in maintaining your dog's respiratory health. Most importantly, early detection is crucial. By monitoring your dog's breathing patterns and seeking prompt veterinary care at the first sign of trouble, you can ensure they receive the right treatment before the condition worsens. As pet owners, it's our responsibility to be proactive and vigilant about our dog's health, ensuring that they lead a long, healthy, and comfortable life. With the right care and attention, breathing problems in dogs can often be managed effectively, allowing our beloved pets to enjoy their lives to the fullest.